I, having been duly elected as Board of Directors of the Primera Multipurpose Cooperative, do hereby solemnly swear to faithfully and unacceptably discharge the duty and obligation of an officer fully conscious of the grave responsibility which I have voluntarily and am willing to assume. All this I pledge and promise to observe and to do the best of my ability, without any mental reservation nor purpose of